Oh, she's yeah, she's good.
Now there's a little fact here for you before it's here. She's not actually a girl. She's a boy. 23 years ago when Richard went to buy her, the main purpose of buying her was to get a girlfriend. He got buzzard, they're big and they're impressive, to get a girlfriend. So, went to the breeder with a handful of cash, and the breeder seen him coming. So he was just standing there with a wad of money, like, I want a female buzzard because they're really big, tall and impressive and I'll get a girlfriend. So the breeder was just like, there you are, off you go. Wait, come on back here. So, went to the vets for a checkup after that to make sure she was alright, and the vet was like, it's actually a boy. But the name's stuck, so still refer to her as a female. Go on then.